What's up YouTube, it's W211 showing you guys today how to change your oil. So obviously first thing you're going to need to do, put your parking brake on and you want to jack your car up. I'm using the regular jack that came with the car alongside, I forgot what these are called, jack stand. Just in case anything happens, I'm protected. It is locked in place right now, so it should be good. Be careful when you're jacking your car up. Alright, the second thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove this guy right here. Wrench. I've already loosened it. That's pretty much it. Once you get it off, take this guy off. You can take it off with your hand, just like so. Filter's a little loose. Grab it, flip it upside down so we don't drop any oil. Just drop it here. Out of your oil drain pan. Next, you're going to want to take off all these O-rings that are here. So like this one, this guy back here. Make sure that the kit that you have has it. O-rings replaced here. This one, these two guys down here. We got the new filter on here. That's pretty much it. Just reverse it, put it right in, screw it back in. Firm with your hand. You don't need to make this super tight or else it'll get stuck. I think it calls for like 14 pounds of pressure, so just think about that when you're tightening it. Give mine a little snug. One, two, boom, right there. I'm happy with that. And that's it for this part. Now we go underneath. Alright guys, the next part we're going to do is remove these 8mm from down here so we can get to the drain plug. Alright, so we got our bottom cover out here, got our 8 screws out. Now we just need to remove the drain plug and the oil from the car. That's it. Alright guys, I'm going to do my best to try to show you where exactly the screw is. See here? It's your oil pan right here, and the screw is just basically right there. I've already loosened it. And then right, that's it. She's draining. Yes, she is. She's draining. Alright, we're gonna give her just like 5-10 minutes to drain. And then we'll be back. I'm gonna wipe up all that shit and then we'll be back. Alright, YouTube, we got everything down underneath all sorted out. Now we're just gonna load her up with oil. Check your owner's manual, see how much oil your car takes. Even if it looks like my car, it might not be the same car. So you wanna check your owner's manual to ensure you're putting the right amount of oil in it. Good clean oil. on to the next one. This one we're only going to use about 3.5 quarts, and we're going to check the levels and top up from there. Start the car, let it run a couple seconds, make sure the oil pressure's good. Just to see right now. Just something so satisfying about looking at clean oil. That golden brown just flows so easily. We're gonna stop there, check where we're at. About another quart before we close it up and then start her up. Alright, that's about good for right now. Make sure too, if you drop oil anywhere, you wipe it up, man. These sensors are sensitive, these hoses are sensitive, stuff like that can cause these hoses and things to corrode prematurely. Alright, so we got everything closed up. Let's move on to the next part. Alright guys, let's go ahead and turn her on. Alrighty, I'm gonna check the oil levels and then I'm gonna take it for a test drive. Alright YouTube, just got back from the drive. We're up at the proper temperatures. Got the proper amount of oil in here. Everything's good. Super quiet, could barely hear the engine. That's it, she's running right now. There we go. Being pretty good. That's it. Like my video, subscribe to the channel, leave some suggestions in the comments below. If I missed anything in this video I should have covered, just let me know. Alright, thank you everybody. Bye.